Hello and welcome back everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Wonder Woman game in ScratchJr. The point of the game is to apprehend the evil dark wizard. So basically we've got the Wonder Woman character, which again, I have adapted the ScratchJr cat here. If you want me to shoot a video on how to make this, please let me know in the comments below. The wizard is the standard stock wizard, and I've just changed their robe to black. Then we've got some laser bolts, which were just handmade by me with the 3-line tool in the paint option. And then you've got your classic buttons there for moving the character around. So let's have a look at the code. So this is the code for Wonder Woman. Basically, it allows them to move left, right, up and down. The idea is for her to avoid the bolts that are being shot by the wizard. So I don't know if you want to take a screenshot of that, if you want to make this. The wizard is on a standard protocol of moving. They do appear first, and they will move around the screen. Then once they are touched by Wonder Woman, it goes to the end screen and they get taken away to prison. The lightning bolts are basically operate and move in parallel or in sync, with the wizard, but for various different lengths of time. So this is the first one, which is released first. The next one, the code's a bit longer because it stays with the wizard before being released. This is the third one. And then this is the fourth one. Please screenshot those if you want to make the game yourself. Then you've got your classic joypad where the squares have got the different touch triggers where when they're touched, they send a coloured letter to the Wonder Woman character, which then moves them appropriately. The final screen is where Wonder Woman has captured the wizard and then basically walks off with them and drags them to prison. So there's the code for Wonder Woman. There is the wizard. Now it's really important with the wizard because if you try to rotate it in the game, it will, when it starts, it sits back up again. So you need to go to the paint tool and rotate them in here using the rotate button. That then allows them to remain, that's their start position for rotation. Okay, so let's have another run through. Here we go. So we start, the wizard comes out. It fires at first and second and third bolt. We avoid those, then we capture him, and then Wonder Woman takes them off to prison. Hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, please leave them below in the comments. Have fun making this one. See you next time. Bye.